discuss about the image formation by concave mirror and convex mirror. Today, first of all, we will discuss the image formation by concave mirrors. Image formation by concave mirrors. First case in concave mirrors, when an object is placed at infinity. When an object is placed at infinity, first of all we draw the concave mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. The distance of this pole from the focus and focus from the center of curvature should be equal. Now, when an object is placed at infinity, object is placed at infinity. बहुत दूर है कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, वहां से रेज कैसे आएंगी? पैरेलल रेज ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. Now, first ray parallel to principal axis. As we discussed in the rules, a ray parallel to principal axis passes through, after reflection passes through focus. In the same way, a ray parallel to principal axis incident on this mirror, and after reflection it passes through the focus. Now, these rays, these reflected rays meet at a point on this principal axis. This is called the real image of this object. Now, what is the position, nature and size of the image formed? The image formed at focus. Image formed at focus. The rays actually meet at this point, means real image is formed, real and inverted and point-sized image is formed at focus. Now, this is the first case when object placed at infinity, image formed at the focus. Now, second case, when object in second case, when an object is placed beyond C. Now, an object is placed beyond C. Now, a concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Object is placed beyond C. C से पीछे पड़ा है object. Now, consider an object AB beyond C. First ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus. Now, second ray we can take it from the focus. When a ray passes through the focus, as we discussed in the rules, it go parallel to principal axis. It will go parallel to principal axis after reflection. Now, these two reflected rays, this ray and this reflected ray, actually meet at this point. Now, image is formed at this point, and this is B dash A dash. The real image of the object is formed. Now, image formed between F and C. Image formed between focus F and center of curvature C, real inverted and smaller in size, smaller than object. Smaller in size means diminished image. We can say it diminished image is formed. When object placed beyond C, image formed between focus and center of curvature. Image formed is real, inverted, below principal axis, inverted and smaller in size, smaller than this object. Now, in third case, when an object is placed at C. Now in third case, when an object is placed at C. Now first draw the concave mirror, pole, principal axis, focus and center of curvature. When object AB placed at center of curvature, first ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus, Now second ray through the focus, passes through the focus. After reflection, it meet at a point on the center of curvature. These reflected rays after reflection meet at a point. This is the real image of the object at center of curvature. Now image formed at C, image formed at center of curvature, real, inverted and same in size. Image formed at C is real, inverted and same in size as the object. Now in fourth case, when the object is placed, when an object is placed between C and F, between center of curvature and focus. Now draw a concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now when object is placed between C and F, A, B, first ray from the object incident on the mirror parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through the focus. Second ray through the focus, after reflection, it goes parallel to principal axis and meet at this reflected ray at this point. Here a real image is formed, B dash, A dash, beyond the C. Now image formed beyond C, real, inverted and enlarged, means larger in size. When object placed between C and F, the rays after reflection meet at a point beyond the C. Here A dash, B dash, this inverted image is formed. So image formed beyond C, real, inverted and enlarged, means larger in size. Now next is when object placed at F. When object is placed at F, focus, center of curvature. Now when object is placed at focus A, B, first ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus. Now second ray we can take it from the center of curvature or from the pole. If we take the second ray from the center of curvature, the ray incident on the mirror and reflected back in the same direction. Now the image formed at infinity. These parallel rays, the image formed at infinity. The rays after reflection goes parallel to each other, then image formed at infinity. Image formed at infinity, real, inverted and highly enlarged. Highly enlarged. When object placed at the focus, the rays after reflection goes parallel to each other, means image formed at infinity, real, inverted and highly enlarged. If we want to take the a ray from the pole, then we can take it from the pole also. Then the ray goes after reflection also goes parallel to this ray, means image formed at infinity. Now in last case, when object is placed between focus and pole of the mirror. Now in last case, when an object is placed between focus F and pole P. When object placed between F and P, A, B, a ray parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the mirror. Focus passes through the focus. Now second ray from the center of curvature, it goes in the same direction, reflected back. These reflected rays go away from each other and these appear to meet at a point behind the mirror. Now we extend this principal axis. Now image formed appears to form at point this behind the mirror. A dash B dash is the virtual image formed of the object AB behind the mirror. These rays do not actually meet at any point. These appears to meet at this point. So the virtual image of the object is formed. Image is formed behind the mirror, virtual, erect. Erect means सीधा. Object AB principal axis के ऊपर सीधा है. Image is also above the principal axis and erect. Virtual, erect and larger in size. This is the case in which the object placed between pole and focus and the image formed is virtual and larger in size. These are the image formation by concave mirror. There are 6 cases of images formed by concave mirrors. Now we will discuss the image formation by convex mirrors. Image formation by convex mirrors. First case, when an object is placed at infinity. Then I will draw the convex mirror, polished inside, pole, principal axis, focus, center of curvature. Now, when an object is placed at infinity, the rays parallel to principal axis appears to diverge from a point, from the focus of the convex mirror. Ray parallel to principal axis appear to diverge from the focus. Now these rays actually does not meet at any point on the principal axis but appears to meet at this point. This is the virtual image of the object is formed. So image formed at F. This is virtual image, virtual, erect and point sized. An object placed at infinity, the virtual image is formed at the focus of the convex mirror. Now in second case, when the object is placed in front of the mirror. Object is placed in front of the mirror. Now in convex mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now when object placed in front of a convex mirror, a ray incident on the mirror appears to diverge from the focus. Now second ray, let it be from the center of curvature. It ray goes in this direction and reflected back in the same. These rays appears to meet at this point and a virtual image of the object AB is formed, A dash, B dash, behind the mirror. Now image formed behind the mirror, virtual, erect and smaller in size. Smaller in size means diminished image is formed. When object placed in front of the mirror, the rays appears to meet at this point, then A dash B dash formed is the virtual image, virtual, erect and smaller than object. So students, these are the image formation by concave and convex mirrors. In next video, we will discuss about the uses of concave and convex mirrors and sign conventions for reflection by the mirrors. Thank you.